Good day everyone and welcome back to another video here on Mommy Guide Inc. where I will be featuring one of our super sponsors, Bitty Penny's digital kit. For this video, I'll be sharing a set of adorable cards I made using Bitty Penny's Natasha's Garden Gnomes digital collection. It's whimsical, fun, and just perfect for spring crafting. And of course, I have put the links to the kit here in the description of this video. For those who are new to the challenge and do not know what Kendra's Card Challenge is just yet, it's a quarterly card making challenge where you can create at least 15 awesome cards from just 6 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper. My first card for today is inspired by Kendra's Card Challenge 18, sketch number 5. For the interest of time, all the cards that I'll be creating today, all the elements I have already pre-cut and chosen. If you want to join Kendra's Card Challenge 18, it's absolutely free. All you need to do is download the free sketch PDF file found in the description of this video. Then upload your projects to the InLinkz Party for a chance to win even more amazing prizes. Yes, please join the community in the Kendra's Card Challenges Facebook group. Again, the link is in the description down below. And if you're loving the challenge, consider joining Kendra's Patreon to unlock perks like early access to the sketches, exclusive behind-the-scenes updates, bonus printables, and even digital downloads. Yes, there's also a VIP status where you can actually have access to an additional Facebook group. And here it is, our card number 1 based on sketch number 5. Moving on to card number 2, inspired by sketch number 6. If you do want to see some more sketches and other products from Bitty Penny, head on over to the other design team members' videos, and there's even a monthly hop in the quarter where we will be featuring more of Bitty Penny's products. And this is card number 2, again inspired by Kendra's Card Challenge 18's card sketch number 6. And now another look at the first 2 cards that we have created for today. Moving on to our third and last card for today, inspired by Kendra's Card 18 sketch number 7. So if you have noticed, I actually did tweak a bit the sketches for Kendra's Card Challenge 18 sketches. So instead of the usual shapes, I actually added fuzzy cut images from the paper or digital collection that I use from Bitty Penny, right? Most of these are different images of bees. I will be actually creating more from Bitty Penny's amazing digital products in the next coming months this quarter. And this is our third and final card, yet not the least of the cards that we created for today. And here's another look at all three of them. Bitty Penny is not only a talented designer and maker, but she also creates digital kits that are playful and totally versatile for card making, journaling, and more. Be sure to follow her and check out all her cute collections on YouTube. She is at Bitty Penny, and of course her website where you can avail of all these products are bittypenny.com. So this is her website, and as you can see, there's so many things to actually get inspired from on her website. Please don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. If you want more videos like this, please don't also forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. With that, thank you so much and see you again on the next one. Have a great crafty day!